Welcome everybody to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host Derek Smith, and today we're going to be replacing the screen door latch on a Coleman Fleetwood Pop-Up Camper screen door. We have our new latch kit from ColemanPopUpParts.com, a screw gun, impact driver style, and a razor knife should we need it. Let's get started. Taking the latch apart. That leaves us with the two mounting holes in the center hole for the latch assembly. Now that we have the old screen door latch removed, it's time to install the new one. So this is easiest done by getting the door in a more vertical position and installing the back latch and spring, back handle and spring rather, first. So for orientation as well, both of these handles face inside the door when installed properly. So I'm feeding the spring and the two guide posts into the back of the door, holding onto that latch, lowering the door, making sure that my spring is centered. I can see it in the hole here. I'm just going to use the guide pin to center it up a little bit. And now I'm going to install my guide pin. And make sure that the guide pin is in the bottom of the button, which it is. Now, the inside latch, the orientation here for this bar, so we're going to go ahead and turn this bar sideways to make sure it's lined up properly with our door latch. Looks like you got it. Install your two screws. And let's see if it works. Success! Alright everybody, thank you very much for watching. Hope this information was helpful. And remember, you can find the screen door latch and a lot of other great Coleman Fleetwood special products available at our web store at ColemanPopUpParts.com. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to be notified when other videos are available. And speaking of other videos, if you want to see more stuff, you got some more ideas, you need some help, you'd like to see a how-to video, let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching everybody. Happy pop-up camping, and we'll see you next time. Alright, now that we have the old screen door latch. Now that we have the old screen door latch,